Ready to turn your love for shopping into a flexible income stream? First, head to Shipt's website or download the Shopper app. Click Apply and provide basic info, including your name, contact info, and the metro area you want to shop in. Honesty is key here. Next, you'll answer questions about your shopping experience, vehicle details, and availability. Be realistic about your schedule. Shipt wants shoppers who can reliably fulfill orders. Then, verify your eligibility. You'll need to be at least 18, have a valid driver's license and insurance, and own a reliable vehicle. Make sure everything's up to date. Get ready for a background check. Shipt runs these to ensure shopper safety. Be prepared to provide consent and necessary information for the check to proceed. Pass the virtual training. This includes modules on Shipt's policies, best shopping practices, and how to use the Shopper app. Pay close attention. This is crucial. Finally, once approved, you'll receive your Shipt shirt and activate your account. Start claiming orders and begin your journey as a Shipt shopper. You are all set to start earning.